So it's time to finish off the ceiling, the roof here. I've measured up, it's 42 inches from there to the end there. 42 inches, bit of a silly one. I went to pick up some 9mm OSB from a place called Wicks in the UK, and they don't cut it the size for you, so I had to take the whole panel out to the car and cut it myself with a circular saw. That didn't go very well. So, and some of it my fault for not having the full concentration, but also two idiots that decided to shout things as I was cutting and be just a pair of complete idiots, to be honest with you. Yeah, so I ended up creating a bit of an S shape. I didn't have a straight edge long enough, and that's just what happened. So to those two guys that decided they were going to try and put me off and just screw everything up for me, I wanted to go and bury a sausage in be a train coming, and then it'll be a big bowl of Cocoa Pops. Bring the circular saw and a ham sandwich, and just without. I mean, what you two guys did just put me off, and phone your mother and so, oh, what a lovely tea party, and then a couple of patio slabs. We'll watch a Disney movie or two, and don't do it again. Simple as that. Not having it. So anyway, guys, sorry about that. There's going to be some waviness going on, which is going to suck. So yeah, I've got 42 inches, and I don't really know how I'm going to do this. I need to measure what the smallest widths of the boards are, and hope that if I can cut those wavy ends off, then great. I've got a seam down perfectly down the middle, but judging by the size of this S shape in the wood, I don't know. So I'll take you over there and show you now. There we go, so you can see how squirrely that is, and this one's the same. They do fit together. Obviously they were cut off the same board, but I've already cut an end off, trimming this to length, and this is marked ready to go to trim to length. I wasn't sure I was going to beat the weather to make a video, but here we are. Yeah, so I'm going to cut this one to length and then see if I can do some marking up. Oh, and I know my base plate from this side to the blade is exactly 4 inches, and I'm going to be writing 4 inches on the bottom of it. How cool is that? So I'm just double checking here that I am 42 inches. There's a couple of just over 42 inches, so you know, like a hair. And I don't mind this because there's going to be 18mm OSB going there. There'll be enough to hold it up, and then it'll all be sealed. So 42 inches divided by 2. Anyone? No? Bueller? No? 21. So let's see if we've got 21 inches. This is my smallest edge, I believe, roughly there. The last side can't go any better, really, can it? Just taking a hair off that. And then we can do this one-handed. Right, this is my smallest section here. No way, dude. I can do it, guys. I can rip these both at 21 and an 8. And then I'm laughing. Awesome. A stupid time to remember to do something like this. Well, at least the PP's on now. So, this is the waste from both sheets of wood that I've had to cut down, and that's the S shape that was in the big panel. I've really managed to save it. Really happy with that. So now both pieces are straight and square. Right, I'm pretty happy with that. That was really lucky. I had, I think it was around 6mm on one side. Still, I'm hoping they fit, but I've measured a few times. It was 42 inches. I measured them and cut them both at 21 inches. That math is right, isn't it? 21 plus 21 is 42, yeah. So I've got two 21-inch wide panels to go up on the ceiling, and they're all straight. 6mm. God, if that had gone off any more than that, it would have been a bit of an ugly piece of wood. I would have had to cover it up. But saying that, I hope people aren't going to be the idiots and shout at people while they're trying to work on stuff in the car park in Wicks with a saw. You know, that was a bit dumb. You know, and I'm not exactly the most mobile of people. And I'm new to this. It's the last thing I needed, but I've managed to save it, thankfully. So let's get these two panels up. I suppose one of the nice things about this is I don't need to empty the shed. Just move a few things out of my way and then get to everything. So, for those of you that haven't seen the short video that I put up, this is the little adapter that I had off AliExpress for £1.07. I know the videos music said I need $1, but come on. So this goes in there, and new style battery. This is the Type 2. Let's get these in. I'm probably gonna leave the video running. I'll have to cut it then. So I'm just gonna place that there, and I'm gonna go and get some wood. Something tells me that I will need to. I think I'm gonna need to bend this. Oh, Scheiße. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, I didn't account for that. Okay. Let's go. Oops. Let's go this side first. Oh, okay. I mean, it's long enough. I'm just wondering if bending it's a good idea or not. Crap. In there. Oh, yeah, I probably shouldn't have. Oh, there we are. Bend it. And then, yeah. Oh. What am I? Oh dear. Have I made a kerfuffle? Oh no. Yep, I have. So, it's a little bit too long. It's in. got to figure this out. Right. Oh dear. Right. Let me find my pencil. Where my pencil may be. Hello, oh there it is. I believe in... Right, let me adjust this. I believe in this corner is a stud. And I'm just going to have to take that little, what are we looking at? A couple of millimeters, I guess. So I'm going to mark roughly an inch, roughly. Take this back out and try and get it to fit. Yeah. Right. I've just cut the little tab off. That's only inch and a half by so what's that? 3 centimeters, is it? I don't know what it is. It was, yeah, well, 3 centimeters by 1 centimeter. There we are. Inch and a half by something. And this should hopefully come on. Here you go. Come on. There we are. Please. Yes. Yes. Let's what am I doing here? Not many. Okay. Let's just make it comfortable. That one. Yes. Something like that. I believe I missed. Okay. I missed, did I? Yeah. How did I miss? That's more like it. Right. Temporarily. And then we'll come back and hopefully fit the other one. But I'm going to measure that with a tape measure, because there's one there as well, and there's one over there. I need to figure this out, because I believe they are, yeah, they're opposite each other. I'm going to go figure those out. Be back in a minute. Right, so the batten in there, the one coming downwards, 21 centimeters in from the end, and then this is the opposite way around. But you know what, if I measured it from the same edge, the 21 and 36. Okay, so very quickly I want to show you what I mean. So 36 centimeters from there to there, where there's a stud coming down, and then it's 40 centimeters. So it's like, well, just under 4 centimeters wide there. But then on the opposite side, I'm still measuring from this board here, and I'm measuring from there to there. Now this is in a different place. This is 21 centimeters across, and I believe that would be 25 then, or just under. So I've had to cut these little notches out, going off the same edge. Hopefully that makes sense, and that way they'll slot in either side. Right. whole out. Actually try and get the whole thing in first, and then tilt it up. Right. Oh my god. Oh. Hi. That is. Ooh. It's like. I don't even know it. Oh, jeez. Ow. Ah, that got me in the spuds. Oh my god. It's. Okay, so it's a friction fit. And I need to. Oh god. It's a friction fit. And. Yeah. It's too wide. By about, on a rough guess, a millimetre. I need to remeasure, maybe cut an end off. I'll be back. So I needed 67 inches and I cut them to 67 and a half. Half inch makes all that difference. Sometimes it's just too much. Or not enough. Anyway, so what I've done is that noggin, that little bit of noggin, whatever it is, I don't know what it's called, that little chunk that I took out, I've extended it in by exactly by a half inch. So now when I cut half an inch off, it'll still be in the right place. Well, actually, I wish I'd managed to film that because I only ended up taking off the thickness of the blade's kerf, the thickness of the blade. There isn't, it's just dust. So, fingers crossed that was enough and it went well. If not, the next time it might be too small. Wish me luck. It should fit. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice and easy. Come on. Come on, we're all friends here. Ow, ow, ow. Come on. Yeah. This is the wrong way round. Right, downwards. Right. Out, out. Are you just in? Oh, snug. Snug as a bug. But oh, okay. I need to. Bend it. Nope, not yet. Ow! I don't know if you can see that. Ah, Jesus. Dropped it. Look at that did. Right. I need this up. I need this to bend. Am I slightly off? Ah, okay. It was a slightly risk with using your head for stuff like this. Could have been magical. Oh, oh, oh crap! Right, what if I? I think I need to find a happy medium where it slides over the wood. This is dumb, and I know somebody might say, cut it off. I don't want to. I just don't want to. What if What if I fitted that side first? What if I did that? Let's take you out over there now. And, oh, hang on. Oh, it didn't go back very far, did it? Okay. Let's try it now. Now then. Now then, now then. Oh. Right. Now we're on track. All I need to do is put this bit down. I need something to stand on now because I'm too short. I've got my little stool which I can now stand on to put some pressure on the back. We're in. Are we? Yes. Well, yes and no. We're in. Oh, it's a nice, it's a lovely fit. The only thing is, I need it to come this way now. Come on then. Oh, you in? Oops. Ow. Fingers. No, now then. Now then. Well, that was a palaver. Looks different to the rest. And the little gaps, tiny gaps, but I mean, it's not even, yeah, it's about a millimetre of a gap. So there's a bit of a bow. They're going to be, I suppose, filled in, maybe, covered, possibly, but they're in. They're in. Right. I'm going to take a breather and then I'm going to come back and nail them in. Okay, so what I need to do now, I'm feeling a bit more confident with this now. I need to find where I've nailed in. They're not hard to see really. And join the line up on this board, because the wood that goes across, like the battens, that's where I'm nailing into. And obviously because I can't see them now, I need to draw a line matching them up, so then I can see where I'm nailing to make sure they go into them and not miss them. So I need to line that up there. Now where's my nail? There. Right. There's two. Hang on. Oh, there's a nail there. Right. That's what we could do actually. Join that one to that one, because it's there. Right. Okay. Not going to be too much of a problem. Right. There we are, not so bad. And that one, as long as it's pressed on all lovely and it's straight. And there. There we are, so now I know where I'm nailing. I'm going to do the same down here. That's when I nail that one in. In fact, I'm going to season that one. There it is. Right. So, there. There and there. Right. Oh. upside down. Sorry about the noise, everyone, as well. My street, where I live, well, it's not my house, it's not my garden, it's just I'm allowed to be here. It is quite busy and quite noisy sometimes, so this is another good reason. To pad it out to make it quiet. There we go. Okay. Come on. There we are. It's hard work. No, my body doesn't work like it used to. So now we can nail them in. Battery. I had to pinch it for the circular, so I'll be back. Right. So the circular saw. Now that I'm using it more, it is rinsing these 2 amp hour batteries. I need a 5 amp hour battery. They're just so expensive. I can't afford it. And our big boy, the German Shepherd Milo, is out in the garden sniffing around the OSB. Milo, come here. Would you like to say hi to the big smiles? There we go. Milo, good boy. Milo, come in. Ignorant. Ignorant. The dogs won't come in here for some reason. I think it's maybe they're not ready to come in until it's finished. Right. Oh, come on. What's wrong? Don't tell me you're... No. We have nails. That's more like it. Definitely more like it. Okay. Bump mode. Guys, I have a ceiling. I have a ceiling. Look at that. Get out of the way. Look. I've got a ceiling. I've done it. I know it's not like the world's best, but it's my first time. I've got a ceiling. I mean, there's a gap there, but ventilation. That's what we'll call it, ventilation. Oh, it's coming together. There's niggly bits to do, like, you know, fit these little bits in. But the only thing left to do next, I think, really, is the 18mm. I think I need either 2 or 3 sheets of that. There'll be a lot of waste. I need to figure that out. I don't want to waste any. If I can do two sheets of OSB 18mm, because I've got the angle, you see, going down, because it's 6 foot at the back and it's about 7 foot at the front. because it's one of those shaped sheds, you know. Keep looking over there thinking that's the camera. It's not. There you are. Anyway, I think that's it for this video for today. I just wanted to do these little videos just to keep you in a loop, and I think what I'll do then is edit them all together at some point into one big video. Hopefully be useful to someone. But yeah, guys, please, if you're new to this channel, if you're new to woodworking, if you're looking to do something similar and you want the basic version, maybe the mistakes as well, what not to do, you know, this is probably, you know, these are good videos to watch. If there's any mistakes I've made, don't make them, and you get to see them, because I'm not going to change this. This is my first attempt. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff, help people out, and please, as always, teach me too. This is not, I wouldn't call this an educational channel. I'd say it's more of an entertainment channel, because it must be entertaining for some of you watching me fail and stare off into the distance. I digress a lot too, I've noticed that. But anyway, see you in the next video. Take care. I can put my lights up now, this is going to be awesome. No, I'm going to paint it first. Anyway, yes, bye.